Okay, my lovely sisters, one another say na network. As we tell a talk before concerning people wey dey collect the children. Abeg, brothers and sisters, you wey dey cry say dem dey collect your pikin. Una dey tell people truth. Before oyibo, dem go collect your pikin, dem don send letter for you. Before social, dem go collect your pikin, dem don send letter for you like 4 times. You as a mother, you no respond. You just talk say who are you? Make dem do wetin dem go do. No be dem get my pikin, I go kill myself. You see say dem go send you, na that pikin life na dem wan save, because dem don see wetin that pikin go be. Oyibo, if dem dey do everything, na where that small pikin dey small, like 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, dem don know wetin e go be. Dem don know, dem don read the future of the pikin. Dem no be like Nigeria people dey go. If e don big, na dem go take know wetin e go be. If oyibo, the moment you dey kindergarten, dem don know wetin e go be. If you no go see no book, dem don see no. Dem go tell you say your brain no dey for school, or make you kukuma go do work. You understand me? Because the more oyibo people dem see say this pikin, dem go tell you say you need help. You as a mother go talk say no. If they tell you say you need help, say yes, I need help. You no know the kind help. They will tell you say which kind help you need. You get help for document, you get help for children, you get help for anywhere where you dey go. You know say you cannot speak the language, they can help you. That one I say another help. You understand me? Different type of help dey. Before they go help you, they go write that thing for you. They go read am for you. They go write with English, they go write with Dutch, they go write for another place where you dey, so that make you not think say they tie your eye say make you sign. They go read am for you. They go tell you say if you dey read the English, you go fit still read am. If you no dey read English, person wey dey read English, wey dey interpret with English, they go see carry that person make come interpret for you. Oyibo number dey do say make dem do this, make pay you. They cannot do that. Na the order wey you give them, na dem go take work for you. If you tell them say there is nothing wrong with you, they no fit work for you, you are fine, you can do everything by yourself, they will not force you. But as you talk, they go dey look you. If they see say you know the help wey you talk say you can help yourself, you no fit help yourself, they go still come meet you again. Say you need help, you say no. Now they go think say you no dey normal, because the thing wey dem dey see no light for them. They no fit close eye when you dey that country, you dey mess up with the pikin. They no fit close eye. First say that they pay that pikin, that they feed them. You no fit, not be only you wan get that pikin. They still get right for the pikin. But if you dey do well, you dey take care of your pikin well, believe me, you be amazing. Oyibo people will love you for who you are. They go even dey help you more. You go even dey surprise say why some people dey talk say volunteer no good. They're good. They're good. If you work with them, you work with social. Social, not be social put itself for them. Now government, they put the social, they put them for them to read your letter, to tell you where you go, to tell you what you go do, to fill the form for you, to tell you what you go do. If the social not good, e get where they take the follow person wey not good. E get where they take the follow, not be pepper body, not be the way body take pepper. Who be you now? You know wetin I be for Nigeria. Okay, everything wey you be for Nigeria, let that one far away for you. Drop that side, that one, drop that madness for that place. Not bring her come out for this Europe. You see this Europe, They no need violence. If you not get that, you not do problem, they will never have your time. They leave your home and they leave my home. You see small pikin now, where go they play, they will talk say na beat, they won't beat them. No, you will come get more happiness. So see do my pikin. Abi mothers, if your pikin they do good things, shey you now they bring her come out for social media. Now they present. My pikin is this, my pikin is this. You don't see pikin where they do bad thing. They go they present, say na good pikin. Na bad pikin that they call am. Pikin wey please. I dey like video. Please, wanna like and support. Wanna give me thumbs up. Please, wanna give me thumbs up. It's me, my lovely sister, Mama Solowan. Who go call me? My WhatsApp number is there. If you want call me, you want know anything information, you can call me. I will tell you, and then will favor you. I will not lie to you. Okay? I will direct you for the road where go favor you. Okay? My lovely sisters, my brother, abeg, no be the one you go dey dress. You go dress, wear everything. Your pikin go wear rap follow you. No, Oyibo people no dey like am. And then, not only cloth o, they will give you money. You no go chop. You go save that money, carry am go Africa. You go come dey live all those kind yeye life, like say you dey suffer. Where they give you money, where they don't calculate how many months that money. They don't they talk say person no dey do money. You understand me? You go still respect yourself. You carry small. So family that pikin may chop well. Pikin wey dey chop well, they sound for body now. They sound for body, they shine now. Some people go leave their children, their hair go grow. Pikin wey even dey Nigeria self go even better pass pikin wey dey abroad. E no good. Una dey mentor una children. Una dey attend to the appointment. Anything wey they tell them. Una first try volunteer. You understand? May you look whether na e good or e no good. If you no see good, you no know. We be Africa now. We need to wise. If you know say the thing not good for your body, like this kind hair now, you know say they worry you for your head. What you go do? You go pull and make breeze enter. You understand me? You go pull and make breeze enter, not be force. Now you wear shoe, now you know the way it be. The way you go take drop the Oyibo, it go be like film. Now small, not be say I don't need you, don't come to my house. That time it go enter your body. It go enter your body. Now then they write. Anything way they write, they sign. Now wetin e be? They not they argue to themselves. That they believe themselves die. They know South Africa na problem. It's my problem. The thing not good. I beg. We dey respect ourselves as a mother. We dey respect ourselves as a father. No be say we come this Europe, we not come get sense again. But in the time we dey come, we dey pray say, "Kawe yo Baba, kawe yo, kawe yo Baba, kawe yo, money rotala webo, kawe yo." All those kind of things, go dey sing out, tears go dey come out for your eye. You think say you be better person. For us, wetin you dey plan? Your chest dey your back. No be so. That kind way you sing, may God lead you to a way, but He leads you. You need to follow the instruction. I beg, my lovely sisters, my brothers, I beg. This is real. This is not a fake. Mona dey tell each other truth. Mona dey talk the reason why they collect my pikin. Mona no dey talk here, go here, go here. You go see one person go volunteer say go help you. But if you enter the matter now, the thing go turn to another thing. Not be the way it take tell am. Na so you go take the hear am. No, you not dey talk. They talk with people. They go dey bring the people. Everything way they do. They talk with people. They not dey talk with their mouth. You understand me? I bet more leave this madness. Put eye for your pikin. Show your pikin love. Anything way your pikin do for school, for kindergarten, attend to the meeting. Ask them. Even though say they not ask you. You as a mother, You know why you dey carry your pikin early morning 8 o'clock 8:30 7:30 they go kindergarten 7 o'clock they go school. You they go the waka make e go in vain. You must ask information about your pikin. Whether it's a nice person, who be the friend, your pikin best friend, or your pikin. Now the school there for the marry, they don't dey toast. You understand me? Now school there for they learn all those kind of things. You understand? You go ask information about your pikin. My pikin dey live well, e dey read well, e dey play. I hope you no dey fight. I hope you, if they meet go with am, you go say no, I don't need you. You go ask. You go see where the teacher go dey look your pikin. I dey talk about the way your pikin be. If they look here, they talk about your pikin. Say it's nice, if they friendly, if they this one, if they do this one. In fact, it's a best child. As they call your pikin best child, where they for call your pikin, I therefore call you say you are a best mother. They praise your pikin, they praise. If they call your pikin terrorist, you said na mama of terrorism. If they call your pikin any name, make sure say that name they follow you. Because now you teach am, now you at the house. If you know your pikin, teacher know your pikin better than you. Because that school, your pikin now to sleep for your house.